Emma moved to a new city last week. She feels a little nervous. Emma takes the train to work. The train is busy today. A man stands up fast. He leaves in a hurry. Emma sees a bag on the seat. The man is gone. Emma looks around. Nobody claims the bag. She picks it up carefully. She feels unsure. Emma says,
"Excuse me."
No one answers her. She gets off at the next station. She wants to do the right thing. Emma finds a small security office. A guard is inside. Emma says,
"I found this bag on the train."
The guard checks a tag. There is no name. Emma asks,
"Can we look inside for a clue?"
Inside, they find a notebook. The first page has a phone number. The guard calls the number. No one answers. Emma waits for a minute. She feels worried for the owner. The phone rings back. A man speaks quickly. The man says,
"That is my bag. I lost it on the train."
The guard asks.
What is inside the bag?
The man answers,
"A blue notebook and a small key."
The guard says,
Yes, we have it. Come to the office.
Emma thinks about her own life. She also loses things sometimes. After 10 minutes, the man arrives. He looks relieved. He sees the bag and smiles.
"Thank you."
He says. Emma says,
"I was not sure what to do. I just tried."
The man says,
"My laptop is in there. My work is in there."
Emma feels happy. She helped someone today. The man says,
"Can I buy you a coffee?"
They sit in a quiet cafe. They talk for a few minutes. Emma learns his name is Daniel. He is new in the city too. Emma goes home later. She feels lighter. Small things matter, she thinks.